Hello lovelies! So I am doing another Spooky Box Club unboxing out in the garden today because it is a beautiful day. It's like there's a really nice warm breeze. Sebastian is out enjoying the sun with me. I've got my rose lemonade. It's just a very pleasant day, so I thought it would be nice to do it out here again, and you guys seem to really like it. So this spooky box is the witching hour, and I am a wee teeny bit late with this, but not too late, like a week late I think. But things have just been a bit chaotic on my end, and I just got my laptop fixed, so I'm hoping it'll be easier for me to do videos. Fingers crossed. So let's have a, ooh, there's no purple noodlies anymore. Has anyone noticed? But this is what we're looking at. And I'm going to take the doodad and set it over here, and hopefully I'll remember to read it. Oh my goodness, it looks so cute. Okay. So, oh, hit my elbow. This is a really great idea. Oh my god, right, okay. It is a little thing for you to put all your pins on that you get from Spooky Box Club, because there's usually always a pin in them. And yeah, so I have like a coffin pin board up in my closet, but as I get more pins, I'm going to need more space. So I'm definitely hanging this up, and then like once I have enough, I might sort of swap it out so all my spooky box pins are on this one and then other pins are on the other one, including my pins that are coming soon. They are currently in production. I've been talking to the manufacturing team and just like sort of working out, making sure all the designs are going to translate, and yeah, they're in production, and I think I should be receiving them around the 11th of July. So everyone who ordered a pin, you should hopefully be getting them towards the end of July, I want to say, but it just depends. But yes, pins. So this is such a cute idea. It has a little tassel, a little moon, and it's just like a little scroll that you can hang up. That's actually like such a great way, and you can actually see the good thing about this is you can put the backs on the pins with it, whereas with my like cork board I just have to have like a little box full of the backs, but this kind of keeps it all together. I think this is great. Speaking of pins, we have our pin, and it's really cool. So this is a Victorian snake. This is a Victorian snake pin, and look. It really does have that kind of like, I don't know, like that just Victorian look that is so cool. So it's like a hand holding a snake that's all wrapped around. And you guys know that I love snakes, so this is perfect. Okay, this is a spooky cleansing kit. Contains baby sage smudge stick, Palo Santo wood, crystal, purification salt, white candles, and anointing oil. So that's really cool. So if anyone is into like sort of Wicca and stuff, then this would be perfect. Let's have a wee peek. Oh my goodness. So this is our little smudge stick, or cleansing stick smoke. Sage anyway, and it's really good smelling. I knew there was something interesting in this because I could smell it like through the box. This is the salt, I assume. It looks like pink. Did it say what type of salt it was? I've forgotten. Purification salt. It looks like that pink like Himalayan salt. This is the Palo Santo. Got some of this in one of my moon boxes once. Here are the little candles. It's very cute. And then there is a very clear crystal and a teeny tiny little thing of oil. So that is very cute. Because you could like keep this with you as well in your bag, because it's such a small little like compact kit that if you had like a need for these things on the go, this would be very easy to just keep in your bag. We have our Lollipop, and it is a very summery looking one. So it's like yellow and white and red. We have a little jewelry looking thing in here. Oh, I love it. That's so cute. Okay. So it's like a little necklace, and it says spooky. And what's it got? It has a sun and a moon. Oh, that's so cute. We have a necklace that is just a plain. Okay, Sebastian has gone inside because he was determined to explore. Yeah, so once again, it's just a little sort of planchette type necklace. I think we've had something quite similar before in one of the earlier spooky boxes, but I think the other one had writing on it, and this is just as it is. And then I think the last thing in here, other than instructions on how to use the cleansing kit, is a skull patch, which is actually really cool. Hold on. So this is it. Look how cool. That is a really nice patch. I still really want to make like a custom like patched and studded leather jacket, and I have like all the materials basically. I just haven't been brave enough to like start poking holes and stuff in one of my jackets, but I definitely want to put this on here because it is really cute. I don't know where I'll put it though, but I love this. I almost forgot. I ended the video and I was packing up and then I remembered. Okay. Custom made enamel pin display pennant. Yes. Custom made Victorian style snake pin. Yes. Custom made large skull patch. Yes. Custom made the witching hour necklace. Is that the spooky one maybe? Maybe. Custom made planchette layering necklace. Yes. And spooky cleansing kit. Yes. Handcrafted gourmet lollipop. Yes, we got everything. Okay, so nearly forgot. So that is everything for this box. I really enjoyed this. It definitely wasn't like the most abundant of the spooky boxes we've had, but I did really like the things in it. I think my favorites were the pin thing holder and the patch, and then the pin itself. I really liked those three things the best, I think. Oh no, the spooky necklace as well. I really liked the spooky necklace. So yeah, I enjoyed this little unboxing. So I'm sorry I was away for a little while there. I had like a really good run with videos and then I haven't uploaded now in like a little over a week, so I'm sorry for that. It's been a mixture of like the weather has been like super great, so I've been like going out more and haven't had as much time, and then also the weather has been super hot, which caused my laptop to just like stop working. So I brought it in, got like loads of stuff on it repaired, so hopefully now it should be running better and I can get more videos out. And it is my birthday really soon. It's my birthday in like, gosh, it must be coming close to a week now, which is scary. It has crept up way too fast and I still don't know what I want to do, so. But hopefully we can think of something fun today. I'm gonna go because there's construction going on, dogs have started barking, this lovely peaceful garden unboxing is falling apart really fast. But I hope you enjoyed this. Remember to leave a comment and tell me what you thought, what was your favourite thing in the box, and tell me when your birthday is and see if you can find anyone else in the comments with the same birthday as you, see who's your birthday twin. If you're not subscribed yet, consider subscribing and do remember to turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up so I know. Lastly, before I go, if you could check out my Patreon, because that really supports this channel so very much. I would appreciate that just incredibly, so I will leave a link in the description along with anything else relevant, and I will see you next time. Bye lovelies!